Based on what you heard about the 3s and the 7s, my village, the names, and the spiritual significance of the names, we'll say, once placed in proper Afro-Asiatic Eastern Nigeria context, with great tribes like the Yorubas rather, and the Igbos. And they talked about the Edos and the Edomites versus the Igbos, Gad, and Judah. Do you believe that I am a prince of light related to Judah?
Yes.
Do you believe I'm a descendant of Judah?
Yes.
Do you believe... Okay, what do you think is the significance of, let's say, me being the great martial artist that he can't beat, my dad being a well-respected brain surgeon who gave away millions to all races? What do you think that suggests about God's blessings and what have you? Anything? Nothing? No words? It's okay. You're not good. Next question? You're good. It's good. It's good.
Oh, man.
We can stop there.
I think it's pretty cool. And I also think that you have mad heart, and I'm grateful. Grateful to know you.
A true man of God.
Yes.
You think I'm gonna let the New World Order get away with, doing all this evil stuff without fighting them in the spiritual world in any other way God inspires me to?
Yes, I believe you when you say to me those things, yes.
Alright, thank you. Go ahead, I cut her off. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Yeah.
You'll say it. You say
That's fine.
No, you're
No, that's fine.
Okay. Do you respect OG martial artists, Afro-Brazilians, Afro-Hispanics, real black martial artists, and real natives who did capoeira this us, in Rio, Hispaniola, Cuba, everywhere, South America, Peru, everywhere we touched down, we laced up everywhere we exchanged information. Do you respect the real martial artists? Do you believe that them and their descendants deserve the admiration of potential wives?
Yes.
How much do you believe it between the scale of 1 and 10?
10.
All right, thank you.
Ladies, you girls are missing out. He looks way better in person than he does on camera. I promise. If you won't be his princess, I will.